Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So, as we all know, unfortunately, the Fortnite game is not present at the Google Play Store, therefore you cannot get it from there. So what you want to do is to open up the search engine that you'd like, then type in, at the search bar obviously, type in Fortnite APK, just like so I guess. Okay, I've typed in APJ, so I'll correct it real quick. Now, among the search results, you want to head straight for the official Epic Games website. In here, tap on this button that will initiate the Epic Games Launcher download process. Once the file gets to successfully download, you want to install it. Prior to installing anything from Google Chrome or any other app for the first time, it is required that we allow to install apps from this source, which we'll do by turning on the toggle that I've just activated, pointing out that we are aware of any possible risks, and confirming it by tapping on the OK button. Now we can confirm the Epic Games Launcher installation. Finally, wait until it gets checked and open the launcher. At the launcher, you'll find the Fortnite game right here. Now you want to tap on the black Get button and download the installation file for Fortnite. Alrighty, so as you can see, the Fortnite game files has been successfully downloaded, but prior to the installation process, it is required that we do the same thing that we did for the Google Chrome, therefore allow Epic Games to install apps. So we'll do pretty much the same steps and the same actions. Confirm the installation of the Fortnite and wait until it gets successfully installed. Now let the default security app of this phone to scan it for any possible or theoretical threats. After which you can go ahead and launch the Fortnite. And in here, once launched, all that it's left to do for you is to wait until the game will download all required resources and updates. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.